and that's the white-necked Jacobin. Now, this is a rather large, spectacular hummingbird of a humid tropical lowlands that favors forest edges, adjacent clearings with scattered trees and flowering bushes and gardens. It feeds at all levels, often in the canopy, hovering with its tail cocked and occasionally opening it to show extensive white. Male has a deep blue hood, green upper parts, beautiful, with white color, with a white collar, with white underparts and mostly white tail. Some females look similar to males while others look different. So here's the male and here's the female. Female is beautiful. The male is beautiful too. Both of them are very distinct and beautiful.